Hi guys, to receive this pendant light shade for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice. It's a industrial like style, which I think it's perfect. It comes with everything you need to assemble it. Okay, as you can see, all the installation instructions, all the screws and nuts that you need. Okay, this is the ceiling base. Okay, as you can see, and this is the fixture. Okay, it's really nice. It has like a diamond shape and it has two colors. Okay, so let's go ahead and start assembly, and let's take it to where we're gonna sell it. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It looks really nice. I put this little warm white light bulb, but I think you can place whatever you want. The reflective material looks really nice, and it was really easy to install it. All the colors are amazing, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.